When students click the link to your appointment calendar, they will open up to this page. So right now it says there's no available appointments this week. There is a slot open on April 20th. So I'm going to go ahead and go to the following week, and I can see here are my 40-minute time slots for tech help. So I can, as a student, I will click on it. It automatically fills in my name. You can see I'm signed in as Maeve Holmes. And I could put a description and say, I would like training on Google Calendar. And I just choose save. And now that tech help option is gone. For anyone else that goes to this calendar, they will not see that option there. And then I can go to Maeve's Google Calendar. So if I'm the student, that is now added to my calendar, and it automatically assigns a Google Meet. Now if I go back over to my calendar, the teacher calendar, let's see, one of these is my teacher calendar. Or not, here it is. Okay, I'm just going to reload this page. And you can see here is the scheduled appointment that my student Maeve did. And when I click on that appointment, the meet is there as well. So it automatically assigns that meet, automatically adds it to the student's calendar, and shows it on the teacher calendar as well. Hope this is helpful.